Today we're going to talk about number sentences again, and we're going to look to see if this is true or false. So I want you to look at each of these number sentences and decide if they are true or false. Please answer the questions on the Edpuzzle green link. Let's look at this first number sentence. 28 minus 6 plus 9 equals 31. Did you decide if this was true or false? Well, let's look and see. If you worked from left to right, if you did 28 minus 6 would be 22, plus 9 equals 31. So your answer could be true. But let's say I did this first, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So now if I went back and did 28 minus 15, my answer would be 13. So in this case, this one would also be true. So both number sentences could be true. What makes them both true is where you put the parentheses. Today we're going to talk about parentheses in number sentences. Whenever you see a parentheses, you need to do that first. So in this first problem, you would do 28 minus 6, which is 22, plus 9 equals 31. That is true. In this problem, you would do 6 plus 9 first. Now go back and solve the problem. 28 minus 15 is 13. Let's see if this sentence is correct. Well, I know whenever I see parentheses, I have to do the parentheses first. So I ask myself, what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10. So this number sentence now becomes 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10 is 25, so my answer is true. Let's try this one. I know that I have to do parentheses first. Well, I know that 4 times 8 is 32. 32 minus 4 is 28, so this is false. This number sentence is not true. Let's try this problem. I want you to make this sentence true by filling in the missing number. So again, think about, do what's in the parentheses first. I know that 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now my problem becomes 12 plus 1. So 13 would be the number I need. This is a challenge problem. I have to make this one a true number sentence by putting the parentheses in somewhere. So 16 is my answer. So I always try, let's do this first. 15 minus 7. So if I do 15 minus 7, that's 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So in this case, that worked for me. So your seat work today is page 71. On the top part, you just have to fill in the missing number. Remember to put do everything in the parentheses first. In this one, you have to make them true by putting the parentheses into the problem.